Charlotte is growing, but for the people who actually build this city, the rent isn't just a bill, it's a trap, a paycheck heist in broad daylight. The average rent here is hitting $1,600. If you're a warehouse worker, a trucker, or a CNA, that's not just expensive, it's an attack on your future. I'm here to tell you, the traditional advice is dead. You don't need a boardroom. You need a break room blueprint. This is the ScissorMoney Masterclass. Don't fall for the intelligence trap. Wealth isn't built through labor alone, it's built through leverage. It's time to stop working for the system and start making the system work for you. We're living in the age of digital Taylorism. Every second of your shift is tracked, optimized, and squeezed by algorithms. If they're using tech to track you, we're using AI to outsmart them. Before you budget, you have to decode the heist. Your W-2 isn't just a tax form, it's a map of where your money is leaking. Federal tax, FICA, it's all on the table. Be a deduction detective. Look at what the government is keeping from your check. That's your money, unlocked. We need to stop the bleed before we can build the bank. Working doubles, careful. The overtime tax illusion is real. More hours often means a higher bracket. You're working for the Fed, not your family. Protect your palate. This is why we use the net pay palette. We only budget what actually hits the bank. We build on certainty, not gross hallucinations. Certainty is self-care. 50% for the roof and the lights, 30 for the grit of daily living, and 20, that's your debt triage and freedom fund. No exceptions. This is the law. If you're drowning in debt, you need triage. Use the snowball for the psychological wins or the avalanche to kill the interest. Pick a side and attack. Debt is quicksand. The first check you write must be to yourself, even if it's $10. It's about the habit of ownership. Take your cut before the landlords and the banks take theirs. In Charlotte, if you're single, you're paying a solo living penalty. It's time to find a partner in the struggle. Community leverage is our greatest weapon. Find a roommate on the opposite shift. You split the rent, but you never share the kitchen. It's the ultimate ghost living hack. Cut your costs in half today. This is community leverage. Carpooling, shared childcare, scrub swaps. These aren't just hacks, they're paycheck protection. We win as a team or we lose as individuals. For my gig workers and truckers, you need a feast or famine budget. Plan around your lowest expected paycheck. The surplus from the feast weeks is for the famine weeks. Think about the concrete finisher. High pay in summer, zero in winter. That's the feast and famine reality. If you don't stack the feast, the famine will eat you alive. Protect your winter. We're moving to agentic budgeting. Every dollar is a soldier. Every cent has a mission. If a dollar isn't working for you, it's working against you. Take command of your capital. Let's talk about the grocery heist. Harris Teeter is robbing you in broad daylight every single week. Stop being a victim of the brand name trap. Same milk, same eggs, $65 difference. That's $65 of your freedom walking out the door for a fancy logo. Switch to Aldi or Lidl today. Switching to Aldi isn't about being poor. It's a 30% raise you give yourself. We call this grocery deflation. Take your money back from the conglomerates. So that $65 difference, invest it. In 10 years, that's $50,000. That's your exit from the warehouse. That's your freedom. Stop eating your future. Exhausted after a double shift, set a tired money limit, $20. Once it's gone, the kitchen is open. Protect your exhaustion from impulse spending. Stay strong. Earned wage access can be a lifeline, but it's often a trap. If you're using it to pay for yesterday, you've already lost the battle for tomorrow. Break the cycle. Think of AI as your financial foreman. It doesn't sleep, it doesn't judge, and it sees every leak in your foundation. Use it to oversee your budget like a job site. Use AI as your financial defense system. Ask it to find the leaks in your bank statement. Ask it to build a meal plan on $80. It's a tool. Use it like a drill. The payroll email hack. Automate a filter for every pay stub. Audit them once a month. Make sure the government isn't taking more than they're owed. Every cent counts. Start small. Your first target is $100, then $300, then $600. These are your shield against the world's unexpected hits. Build the wall. Can you handle a $400 emergency without a credit card? If the answer is no, you are in the heist zone. Let's fix it with the Things Happen Fund. Every 30 days we reset. We look at every leak, every subscription, every dollar that didn't help us win the war. The monthly reset is non-negotiable. Be the subscription killer. Those $10 leaks are sinking your ship. Audit your apps, cancel the noise, and put that money back where it belongs, in your freedom fund. We aren't chasing status flexing. We're chasing invisible wealth, the certainty of a things happen fund. That's true self-care for the frontline worker. Sleep is for the stable and the smart. This is the family safety net. You care for everyone else. This is how you care for your financial future. It's time to build a legacy that isn't made of debt. Join the 10K mission, $10,000 in 1 year. It's not a dream, it's a blueprint. It's your path out of the grind. We build this 1 week at a time. Stack your skills. A CDL with a hazmat endorsement, that's leverage. A CNA bridge program, that's leverage. AI career coaching, that's your edge. Never stop building. Never stop winning. Financial stability is the ultimate form of self-care. It's the certainty that no matter what happens, you are in control of your destiny. You are the captain now. Welcome to freedom. This is your city. This is your life. Take it back. I'll see you in the break room. Get to work. Stay ScissorMoney. Your future starts now. We win together. Download the template. Comment SHIFT for the link. Stop building their dream and start building your own. Subscribe for more. This is how we win. Stay ScissorMoney.